Okay guys, we were off to see two RVs this morning. We've seen a couple of videos, we're going to have a look around them, see what they're like. We haven't seen everything inside them yet, but who knows what's going to happen. Wait and see. So let's go and have a look, John.
Well, there's the first motorhome we're looking at today. 35-foot Ford chassis, Coachmen. Let's have a look at it inside. It's a rear pusher diesel engine, 5.9 litre Cummins engine. Oh, right. There we go. Camera on the back, yeah. Okay. That's the bedroom. Yeah. Bedroom's large enough, isn't it? Quite a nice size. What do you say about this shower, Sam?
You won't be able to stand in it.
You won't be able to stand in it? Oh, because of the height?
Yeah.
Well, that is weird, isn't it? That looks quite... Yeah, that's quite... Yeah, that would have to be ripped out.
Yeah.
That would have to have a new shower in there, because it's just not high enough. Toilet looks dirty, doesn't it?
Yeah, toilet's
Certainly not as clean as our own. And this is where, I'll turn that into cupboards. That's where the washing machine would go. There's the pipe, there's the waste pipe. What's in the other side? That's a wardrobe on the other side. Hanging space. What have you done here, Robbie? Put the table up.
Yeah.
Yes, all the pots and pans are still in the cupboard.
They've took the bench out, didn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all pretty lights.
Oh, it's got power on.
Disco.
Power's on then. The batteries are still connected. Oh my life. That's as bad as the fridge. No, no, ours was clean, wasn't it?
Yeah, I did smell.
Oh my god,
gross.
that's minging. Oh my life.
Don't, it smells.
Let's look at that. Oh my god, if you could only smell this.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck, that was disgusting.
Do you think that's a bit smelly, Sam, or what?
Oh.
It's been open for a while.
37,000 miles, genuine. The MOT certificates corroborate that, so not bad. Front entrance door, just like a coach. And swivel seats, not leather, but they are in nice condition.
Okay, that's got a solar panel on top that's running two sockets in the kitchen, and I think the roof will need to be redone. It's got elasticated or rubberoid paint on it. It's obviously perished over the years, but you know, I can't see. Yeah, I don't particularly want to go and stand on it, but yeah, solar panel. I think they're working. AC conditions are working. Right.
Well, I think it's just a bit too much, guys. Certainly what they're asking for it is too much for what I would want to pay for it. There are a couple of cracks on the windscreens. Both those windscreens would need replacing. That's a lot of value right there in just those screens. Plus the difficulty in getting them in the UK. I think that's the killer. But yeah, real shame. Real shame. The only way this could work is if the price came down quite significantly, because there's definitely work to do here. It's like a locker, isn't it? Huge locker, goes over to the other side. There's a gas fire there as well. And this one got some solar charging equipment by the looks of it. A couple of leisure batteries.
Looks like it's in the LPG tank out.
You what, bub?
Oh no, LPG tank.
Spare tyre jack. LPG tank is there. It's got the American fitting on it, sound like our other one. What's this one? Some water.
Sort of
Oh, it's the waste.
Yeah, waste.
Waste water. That's waste, isn't it? So that's waste control valves. Yeah.
Operation, yeah.
Some kind of tank there. Mid-board.
Not bad though. It's okay.
Not bad, is it?
Straight across as well.
A lot of storage in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the generator. There's the generator right there. That looks in better condition than the last one, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Bloody hell.
Oh yeah.
That is in better condition than the last one.
I'm not sure where the exhaust is going. Looks like a bracket's broke on the exhaust somewhere. That goes off down there.
The rear's 225, 70, 19.5. They were clean up nice.
Not sure.
Not strict look because cosmetic, yeah. It's still, even if you used to keep the cupboards, you still got to change the cooker because that's me. And new handle,
Yeah.
that's not an issue.
The biggest problem I have is the windscreens.
Yeah.
They're cracked. Yeah. That's a lot of money to replace them windscreen.
Some sort of backsplash, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's nasty. And
So
then
that
you've
would
got,
have to be investigated.
And a nice driving position as well. Really nice driving position actually. Oh, I wish this was in either slightly better condition or the price was a little better than it is. That's quite a shame. So this is the second one I'm looking at today. 3-axle. 6.7 tonne this one, I think. Yeah, not in great condition at all. Not in great condition at all. Oh, this is down the side on the front.
Yeah, the video didn't show it, but there's rust all underneath there, which is making me think there's going to be problems underneath it.
Like corrosion on the panels.
A hell of a lot, yeah.
Yeah, it's not great. Look on the other side.
Starting again here.
Yeah.
It's bubbling here. It's corrosion there.
There's lots of load here. Look.
There's loads of it.
Load of it.
The clip's rusted away completely just behind it.
Yeah, exhaust broken off.
Yeah, the bracket's
off,
gone completely, yeah.
Where the hell are you going, Rob? What's the roof look like, mate?
The roof's not as bad, John. Still needs some attention to it. The plate's been welded on.
Is it a metal roof?
Sorry?
Is it metal?
No, it's like some sort of fiberglass,
Yeah,
mate.
what's it looking like at the back end where them...
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's,
Alright. Okie dokie.
actually go on the walk on it.
No, I don't bother. No, don't do that. You'll be through it.
Even opening the fridge.
Right, so this is the interior of the second one we're looking at today. This isn't in as good condition as the first one we looked at today. Bench seat here.
Oh, do you want some banana flavoured Weetabix?
What's it looking like down that end, Rob?
Deja vu when you first got your RV.
Is it similar?
Got some toothpaste? Look at the sink. Minging.
Oh, nice. It's a water ingress on that roof.
No, it's just the ceiling's just come. It's like a cladding. I can't tell whether there's water come through or water damage. It's just a cladding on the ceiling that's come down.
Oh, okay.
Some sort of insulation as well.
Yeah. Some material, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't open the fridge.
No.
That's in here. Okay.
Oh, is it a mirror fridge?
What's in here? Is this the toilet in here?
Yeah.
Yes, mate.
Minging.
Deja vu.
A lot of work on this one. More work on this one than there is on the other one.
Who's in the cupboard? John, do you need a workout?
Oh, nice. Crack on, Rob.
Oh, that's it. You're afraid of that.
Yeah.
What's the fridge freezer like?
It's got a mirror on the front of it. Once you want to open it and smell it, you're welcome.
That's not as bad as the other one.
Oh, the other one. Oh, shoelaces.
That one's alright. Yeah, that's not as bad as the other one. Microwave. Why does everything feel sticky?
Carpet there. Or it should be.
The other microwave there, which tells me that that thing don't work then.
No, I think that was an oven.
Okay.
A lot of work, what's got to be done.
A lot of work, isn't there?
What is this?
More work in this one than there is on the other one.
Flowers, isn't it?
It nearly fell down the step.
No.
Is this a no?
They're both nose. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, got a spirit level over there, mate, as well.
There is.
See the top corner?
Yeah.
No.
Well, there you go, guys. You've seen the video. You've seen both the RVs. There's a lot of work to be done on them, but you know, the decision hasn't been made yet.
Which was your favourite, Rob?
Oh, the white one, without a shadow of a doubt.
Yeah.
But it's going to be interesting, guys, to see what your thoughts are. Drop them in the comments down below. It's I don't know. It's
Do you
close.
think they're repairable?
The white one is, without a shadow of a doubt. The blue one, honestly, I'd find a skip and put it in the skip and not even.
I wonder what the viewers think.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what you guys think. But my line of thinking is the blue one is not good. Nowhere near it. It needs to be scrapped, as far as I'm concerned. But your comments will matter as well. So
Comments below, guys.
Yes, please, guys.
Let us know what you think.
Hope you enjoy the video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe as well, guys. Please. Take care.